Welcome. Today we will discuss polynomials and factorization of ninth class. So in this we will learn an identity that is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is an identity. So let us discuss example 26. So this example 26 is on this identity only, that is factorize a cube minus 8b cube minus 64c cube minus 24abc. So this we have to factorize. How to factorize this? Actually, by observing this, so we can understand that this is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So we have to convert this a cube minus 8b cube minus 64c cube minus 24abc as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. So how to convert that? So first of all, we have to write a cube as, keep bracket for a and write cube plus bracket. So we have to get minus 8b cube. So how to get minus 8b cube? That means something should be cubed to get minus 8b cube. So that something will be minus 2b whole cube. Check once. Minus cube is minus into minus into minus. We get minus. 2 cube is 8b cube. So we get the same. Plus and c cube. C cube means here in the place of c cube we have minus 64c cube. Then that will be minus 4c whole cube. Check once. So minus is cubed. That means minus into minus into minus. We get minus. 4 cube is 64 c cube. And in the formula it is minus 3xyz. Just observe this. Minus 3xyz. So the formula itself we have minus 3 into, write the brackets for x, y and z. So in the place of x, write a. In the place of b, write minus 2b. In the place of c, write minus 4c. If we simplify this, we get minus 24 abc. You can check. So now, yes, this is equal to x plus y plus z into, that means a plus x plus y. Y means minus 2b. Minus 2b. So two signs should not come closer. That's why you have to keep bracket. We have to separate them by using the brackets. X plus y plus z. In the place of z, you should write minus 4c. So this bracket is open. So we have to close. X plus y plus z into, I will keep the brackets, x square plus y square plus z square minus x y minus y z minus x z, and this bracket is open, so I have to close. Right, now I will substitute the, this place is for a and this is for minus 2b, this is for minus 4c, again this is for a minus 2b and minus 2b into C means minus 4C. It is CA minus 4C. A means A1. So this is the answer. Just if you simplify this, we get the required answer. I will simplify. So A plus into minus minus 2B plus into minus minus 4C into A has a square, A square. If the square is for minus, so minus square is plus, 2 square is 4B square, and we have plus. So by simplification we get plus B square, 4B square, again plus 16C square, because minus square is plus, minus into minus we get plus, 4 square is 4 into 4 16 C square, and minus A into minus 2B, minus into minus plus A into 2B, 2AB, next minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, and 2B into 4C, that is 8BC, minus into minus plus 4C into A, 4CA. Yes, these two are the factors for the given question, and we will go through example 27. That is, give possible values for length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is 2x square plus 9x minus 5. So for this question, what we have to do? First of all, in the question itself, it is given as rectangle. So we have to draw a rectangle first. After drawing the rectangle, write its area. Its area is A is equal to, that is 2x square plus 9x minus 5, and it is the length, it is the breadth. So we can write the area. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That means area should be written as a product of two numbers or two terms. So one term will be the length and another term will be the breadth. So we are resolving area into two factors. That means what we are doing, simply we are factorizing. So in the place of area, write 2x square plus 9x minus 5 is equal to length into breadth. So we have to find the factors of 2x square plus 9x minus 5. So how to find the factors? First of all, we have to draw a line, and after that multiply the coefficient of x square and minus 5. That is 2 into minus 5, that is equal to minus 10. So write all the factors of minus 10. So the factors of minus 10 are, so first ignore minus, simply write the factors 1 into 10 twice, and we get 2 into 5, so it should be written twice, and we have to keep the signs now. See this? So we have to get minus, that's why 1 should be plus, 10 should be minus, and interchange the signs. Plus 2 into minus 5, minus 2 into plus 5. After that, what should we have to do? We have to ignore into. Just read. Plus 1 minus 10, that is minus 9, and minus 1 plus 10, that is plus 9. So like that, it is plus 3. So the middle term, the coefficient of the middle term is plus 9. So where did we get this plus 9? By taking the factors minus 1 plus 10. So for this, what should we have to do? We have to write 2x square, don't change this, and write the last term that is minus 5. For the middle term plus 9x, replace this plus 9x with the factors. That is, the first factor is minus 1. So write minus 1x, and then after write plus 10x. If we simplify these two, we get plus 9. So that is equal to length into breadth. Now we have to see these two as a set and these two as a set. From these two, we have to take one term common, and in the brackets, what we get, that should be written for these two terms also. So in between these two terms, we get common as x. So here 2x remains, minus x goes outside. That's why here we get only 1. So in the bracket, we got 2x minus 1. Here also we should write the same 2x minus 1. And before this bracket 2x minus 1, we have to write one number. If you multiply that number with the terms which are in the bracket, we should get the above term. So to get plus 10x, this 2x should be multiplied with how much? That is plus 5. Check once. Actually, this is a distributive property. So plus 5 into 2x, that is plus 10x. And the same plus 5 is multiplied with minus 1 also. Plus 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Yes. So after that, take this 2x minus 1 as common. So these two terms should be taken as common. So we get 2x minus 1 into, here x remains, x plus 5, that is equal to L into B. Yes. In the next step, we can write L is equal to 2x minus 1. This is L and this is B. Or we can interchange, no problem. So we can write the length L is equal to 2x minus 1 and breadth is equal to x plus 5. Suppose if the same question is given as here volume, so we will discuss that. Example, in the place of area, suppose if you are given as the volume is equal to 2x square plus 9x minus 5. How to do this? Here also same, write the formula of the volume of a cuboid. So volume is length into breadth into height. Same resolving into factors. The volume is 2x square plus 9x minus 5. So by resolving what we got in the earlier question, that is 2x minus 1 into x plus 5. So here write 2x minus 1 into x plus 5. Only two terms we got. We didn't get the third term. But we can write the third term as 1, because to multiply any number with 1, we get the same. So compare the values. The length is equal to 2x minus 1. Yes, this is the length, and this is the breadth, and this is the height. Or we can interchange, no problem. So length is equal to 2x minus 1, breadth is equal to x plus 5, and height is equal to 1. Or we can change L as x plus 5, B as 2x minus 1, H as 1. Or we can take as you wish. So in exercise 2.5, we have all the sums on the identities only. So you have to do all the sums. And I would like to explain exercise 2.5. In this exercise, I will explain the third one, the 13th one. The 13th one is, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3x y z. So how to do this? So for this we have to recall the identities which we have learnt so far. So x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So we have to take this x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Now what I am doing, just I am sending plus z to another side. Then x plus y is equal to, when the plus z goes to the another side, it will become minus z. The next step, so this question is for the cubes. So we have to cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. For the equation, whatever we do, that should be done for both the sides. Suppose if you want to add the number, then we can add. We can square, or we can square root, or we can divide or multiply. No problem. So x plus y whole cube is equal to minus z whole cube. Keep the brackets. So we have to recall x plus y whole cube. What is x plus y whole cube? That is, and whenever we write, so always you have to keep equal to on equal to itself, because all the equal symbols should be on the same line. Then only it looks like good. X plus y whole cube is equal to, I will recall the identities, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, and cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Two are equal only, because I have taken out common 3xy from the last two terms. So this minus cube is minus, z cube is z cube. So again substitute in the place of x plus y this minus z. Okay. Now x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into, in the place of x plus y, write this minus z. X plus y is equal to minus z. So here write minus z is equal to minus z cube. Just simplify. By simplification, what we get? X cube plus y cube plus 3xyz into minus z. So that plus into minus, minus 3xyz is equal to minus z cube. Guess the next step. Yes, the next step is what to guess, that one only. So x cube plus y cube, and bring this minus z cube to left side, will become plus z cube. That is equal to, when minus 3xyz comes to another side, it will become 3xyz. Actually, this is also one important bit, so which is frequently asked in the examinations. So you have to complete all the sums from the exercise 2.5. So exercise 2.5 from 1 to 17 sums. This chapter is very important for the 10th class also, and for intermediate also. That's why only you have to do all the sums. No sum should be left. So, so like this you have to finish. After finishing this examination, you will be sent a link. That means a question paper should be sent to you by Google Forms. You have to fill that form and you can get them marks. Thank you.